Hi guys, so in today's video we will learn how to program for beginners. So first, let's go to PyCharm. If you don't have it already, download it on Chrome or whatever. Now let's do it. See? Let's do a new project and now call it Python for beginners. Python for beginners. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna create it. Just a second. Okay. Now let's go. Press the create button. Now it's gonna take a little time to load, creating the environment. Now you're gonna see a lot of this stuff up here. So you're gonna need to get it and delete it. So let's delete it now. Now the first command I want to show you with Python is the print command. So now we're just gonna print Williams palm trees. So also it does not really allow space that much, so we're gonna use some underscores. And Williams palm trees, this is my other YouTube channel, yeah. And as you can see here, we're gonna run it. So it's Control R to run it. So let's run it, and it printed out Williams palm trees. Now let's try something else. So now if we go here, let's delete this little tab here. Now if we go here, we can see this. If we delete the little quotes, what's it called, it won't do anything because it doesn't know what Williams palm trees means. Because quotes mean just print out whatever it shows on that you wrote. But without it, it has to mean something. So I'm gonna go here. Let's just press enter. Okay, let's press enter now. Let's go here and let's put Williams palm trees equals palm tree. Okay, so let's see. No. Okay, oh shoot. Okay, so I put in the wrong place. Let's move it back again. Okay, I think I'm just gonna rewrite it. Okay, let's see, print. Okay, print Williams palm trees. Williams palm trees, okay. And with the underscores again. And now, after we're done with that, we go back up here and we do Williams palm trees. And then we just do a space equals to whatever we want. So when we enter the command, whatever we type here is going to do it. So let's just say palm trees. So let's see. So we go here, palm trees. So as you see, just type palm trees and then trees. Now let's run the program. Now, there's an invalid syntax. We didn't put the double quote or else it can't save the information. So let's go ahead and delete that tab again and put the quotes. So let's go ahead there, put the quotes. So some people might think it would be lowercase. So a lot of videos say lowercase. Still not the problem. Even if you change it back to lowercase instead of uppercase, it still doesn't do anything. So you're still gonna have to put some. Also, Python does not like spaces, so we also have to put some quotes, and we're gonna put an underscore also, so it can be more readable. And we need to put some quotes. Now, let's see. Now, so you can see still it's not because we didn't put quotes. So let's go here and put some quotes. So delete the tab again. And so palm tree is not defined because we didn't put quotes. So you'll always see that. I'll explain to you what it means. So once again, you need quotes, and it should turn green. You can use single quote or double quote. In this case, I'm going to use double quote. So just put 2 double quotes. And now let's run it again. Control R. So let's do Control R. And now it prints out Williams palm trees. Why? Because instead of palm tree, because we put the quotation marks there. So we need to go ahead there and delete those quotation marks so it can do what we told William it to do. Because Williams palm trees means palm tree, so it represents palm tree. So, as you can see, it's still not defined. Well, Williams palm trees is not defined. Why? Let's see. Okay, so we see here that something happened, right? So I think it might be there. Okay, now let's try to run it again. And palm tree. There you go. What we wanted. Now, it might take a few times for you to do this, just like me. I keep running into problems, but once you have to read the thing that tells you, like the little thing, it'll come out in red, I guess. It'll tell you what you did wrong. So you need to read that so you know what you did wrong, what to fix in your code. Sometimes it is not very clear, and you just have to experiment. So let's do another one. For I in range. So, for I in range is to print something as many times as you want. Let's just say you want to print out a paper on 3D paper saying William, my name, William, a bunch of times. Like, let's just say 10 times. And we can just copy and paste it onto our docs or whatever we're going to print it out on. So the Python can be used for that. So now we're just going to put print whatever we want to print out that 10 times. And yeah, as you can see, we need the comma. Oh, okay. Now let's just say, what are we going to print? Williams palm trees. My YouTube channel again. And now let's run it. And now there's going to be, I'm going to show you an error that sometimes people can make, and I made a lot before I learned this. So let's do it. Now, we didn't put some 2 little dots. I don't know exactly what they're called, but there's 2 little dots you have to put after the closing parentheses, right after the 10. So let's go there and put the closing parentheses. So we also spelled range wrong. So range, but then again, we still didn't put the dots. So the dots is very important. You cannot get any symbol wrong in the code, or the programming language never was taught to have common sense because it is not human. So we can see that we successfully printed Williams palm trees 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now it's time to teach you the last command. It's going to be how to have a conversation with a computer. So we're going to use input to ask a question or to enter information so the computer knows. And now let's just say, what's your name? For example, so let's see, let's just type, what's your name? It's a beautiful day today. So what is your name? Better say, what is your name? And then question mark, space, so it's not right next to it. And now I'm gonna run it, and it prints what's your name. But what's different about it is that it's not just like print. You can also use answers because it is supposed to be like a conversation. It's meant for it. So we're gonna just write something so to represent input. So we can do this. William, my name, equals input. And now let's go to the next line. Print. And now we're gonna put some parentheses in the double quotes so it so we don't have to do the what it means. And now let's say, what's your name? And then you said your name is, so yeah, so you just need to type whatever you want in the quotes. It's new. Then we're gonna get out of those double quotes. And then what is, you said your name is, or whatever your name is, and then get out of the quotes. You have to do a plus sign and then whatever you said. So we use William in this case. So yeah, so we have William. Now we're gonna run it. And it says, what's your name? Okay, let's just say William. Then you said your name is William. We didn't put the space, so let's try this again. So we need to put a space between the is and the double quotes. That should do it better this time. Now let's go run main. Now, what is your name? Now William. It's William. That's my name. And it says your name is William with a space this time because we put a space there. Now, so this is our result. And let's do a bit more. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just, so we're going to make the conversation bigger. So we're going to extend it. So now, I think let's do another print command, and let's say that or is a very nice name, maybe. Okay, for example, very nice name. Okay, now let's see. Now let's do another line. Press enter again, and now what we are going to do is something else. So the next command we could do could either be print or input. What do you think? Well, let's see. It's time for input or print. So let's do input. So let's say that we already used William, so we can't do that again. Emmett, my brother's name. And now we're going to equals input. So this is representing input. As you see where the William is for the, as William equals input, what's your name? And your name is Will plus William because it's the answer to the question of what's your name. So your name is William. Do you like palm trees? Question mark. And now let's run it. And what's your name? William. So we're going to enter William. And do you like palm trees? Yes, I do. So I'm going to say yes. Do you like palm trees? Yes. We didn't do anything, so we need to continue the code so it can have a response to that. And now, and put print, and then the parentheses with double quotes. You said you. Oh, you said you, and then do the plus. So let's just get. We're still gonna stay in the parentheses. We're just gonna do space plus. And what I said, so Emmett. Okay, so now let's run it. And now let's run it. So let's see. Just need to do a bit more. Now run it. So, what's your name? William is my name. And William's a very nice name. Your name's William. That's a very nice name. Do you like palm trees? Yes. You said yes. So that doesn't make sense. So we're going to change it a bit. Sometimes it's hard because we don't see what, we have to sometimes see what it does first. That's why you always have to run it. If you're doing a big program, you need to run it every single time you add something. to see what's going on. And then we're gonna run it again. It says, what's your, so we change it to you said, and then, so it would make more sense. William again. You said your name is William. That's a very nice name. Do you like palm trees? Yes. You said yes. Now, we can also do another thing with some other stuff. Let's say Rob. No, not Rob. Let's try Emmett again. Okay, Emmett. Let's see, Emmett. Like I could do any name because it's just the answer. Because as you can see, it's just a plus sign to add it. So you said no. You can do whatever you want with it, like that. Now, so I hope you liked this video. Make sure to visit all my other channels. Great content is posted all the time. And I have another palm tree channel, I have a cactus channel, a tropical channel yeah. Make sure to visit Williams Palm Trees, Williams Cactus and Succulents, Williams Tropicals. Those are some other of my channels. This is on the channel William. And make sure to visit my brother's channel, Emmett's Universe. It's a really nice channel. We got Emmett, my brother's channel, yes. So it's a really nice channel. And yeah, you might want to take a look at all of those. A lot of my videos get a lot of views, so maybe you would like them too. And I hope you like this video about Python for beginners. This is just a bit of how you do the Python to start off. So this is just for people who know nothing about Python to start from scratch. This was a no-knowledge thing. So I hope you like this video, as I said earlier, and I might upload some more Python videos. See you next one. Bye.